Main Art Gallery of Alliance Française French Cultural Center was the venue where professional visual artist Khadijah Azhar displayed Intangible Realities. Her oeuvre is an amalgamation of the conscious, subconscious, and the unconscious vocabulary that houses itself in the human mind, be it through a figurative portrayal or an abstract of the intangible imaginary within.
It's a transition of my state of mind and the conscious and the subconscious and the unconscious, whatever was going around. So basically when you create art, a transition, because most of the paintings in this are, I think, not 7 years ago, more than that, about 9 years ago. And so you can see the transition of about 5 to 6 years in these paintings, the thought and the state of mind and the thought process. I'm an artist, I'm a fine artist. So I started off really young, and I was about 5 years old, just drawing like a normal childhood. And then because I was always passionate about it, I took it up as my subject in A-levels, as a Cambridge subject called Art and Design. And in that I got a regional distinction, and from there I wanted to pursue it further, so I took it up at the National College of Arts as my major. So I majored in painting and installation art. In this exhibition, I just want to communicate basic everyday emotions and whatever goes on. You know, it's just, for example, you have an aspiration, so it's portrayed in that. You have there's a dilemma in your mind, it's portrayed through that portrait. It doesn't need to be my portrait, doesn't need to be a self-portrait, but it is a self-portrait in the way it's expressing what I feel. This is my 5th exhibition, but it is my first solo show. I have exhibited before in Karachi at the VM Art Gallery, but Karachi, I think in general, because it has a much wider scope in the way of, you know, people appreciate art much better here than compared to, say, Islamabad. And they have more exposure. And Alliance, because it caters to a lot of different people and caters to a lot of different artists. They encouraged me to exhibit my work, so that was really supporting of them.